Hi, my name is Avi. I'm the creator of the newest and the most innovative way to charge your cellular phone, the bucket charger. All you need to do to use it is wear your pants.
The buckle charger is the first wardrobe item ever invented that will charge your phone. The buckle charger blows every other portable charger out of the water because the buckle charger only uses the most portable thing you could imagine, your belt. Nothing extra to carry around with you. No wires, no cables, no worries about finding an outlet, no hassle at all. Just click, open the buckle, and voila! You can recharge your phone on the spot for up to 3 hours of talk time. The 3 different connectors that the buckle charger comes with allows you to charge iPhones 3, 4, and 5, Android phones, and even Bluetooth headsets. Everything about it is self-contained. The buckle charger. Plan B for your battery.
When you purchase the bucket charger, you will receive 3 connectors, a leather belt choice of black or brown, a stainless steel buckle, or choice of a brass buckle. You also receive a full year warranty.
1 second, I'm sorry to interrupt here, but did you say this is a cell phone charger?
Yes, it is.
Will it charge my iPhone?
Of course, it will charge any phone.
Really?
Sure.
Do you mind if I take one?
Sure, go ahead.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. As I was saying, I created this product to make our life much easier. Please, help me do that for you. Thank you.